How to make in Python subclass uncallable. How do you disable the _call_ method on a subclass so the following would be true? This and other ways of trying to set _call_ to some non-callable value still result in the child appearing as callable.
You can't. As Jumpsharp points out, there's no way to make child appear to not have the attribute, and that's what callable child relies on to produce its answer. Even making it a descriptor that raises attribute error won't work. For this bug report, this URL. A Python 2 example. This is because callable ... doesn't act out the descriptor protocol. Actually calling the object, or accessing a _call_ attribute, involves retrieving the method even if it's behind a property, through the normal descriptor protocol. But callable ... doesn't bother going that far. If it finds anything at all it is satisfied, and every subclass of parent will have something for _call_, either an attribute in a subclass, or the definition from parent. So while you can make actually calling the instance fail with any exception you want, you can't ever make callable some _instance of _parent, return false.
It's a bad idea to change the public interface of the class so radically from the parent to the base. As pointed out elsewhere, you can't uninherit _call_. If you really need to mix in callable and non-callable classes, you should use another test, adding a class attribute, or simply making it safe to call the variants with no functionality. To do the latter, you could override the _call_ to raise not implemented, or better, a custom exception of your own, if for some reason you wanted to mix a non-callable class in with the callable variants. Or, just override call with pass. Which will still be callable but just be a nullup.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.